XR240E rotary drilling rig is a new generation of XCMG E-Series medium tonnage piling machinery product. It is widely used in the hole forming operation of concrete pouring piles in the construction of roads, railways, bridges, large venues, etc. With 70 meters of drilling depth, 2 meters of drilling diameter, 240 kilonewton meters of rotary drive torque, 265 kilowatt of engine power, and 240 kilonewtons of main winch lifting force. XR240E has an outstanding performance. The Volvo electronically controlled turbocharged engine is equipped to achieve lower fuel consumption and convenient service. With the high-efficient hydraulic system, the capacity of rotary drive and main winch is increased by 20% and the work efficiency is higher. The main and auxiliary winches both adopt single-layer rope technology. The service life of the wire rope is 2 to 4 times longer than that of the multi-layer rope and the cost is lower. The double jib parallelogram luffing mechanism has a large support angle and a 16% increase in the support range. The operation is more stable. The independent, intelligent, high-power, temperature-controlled hydraulic oil cooler is suitable for high-temperature construction and can adjust fan speed with temperature changes. Intelligent control system can automatically adjust and display the verticality of mast, automatically slew and slag discharge. CFA model automatically lifting concrete pouring and pile type display. The system uses bus panel design to prevent misoperation. The rotary drive can be equipped with a torque multiplier. Optional. The casing drive torque is up to 360 kilonewton. The casing construction ability is stronger. As a multifunction machine, XR240E can realize the quick switching of functions such as crowd cylinder, crowd winch, oscillator, CFA, and dual rotary drives, which can meet different construction needs.